the global footprint of a vehicle that represents Mercedes-Benz's most significant engineering achievement since the invention of the automobile.
Security here is tight, but once inside, you see why Mercedes calls this the most advanced automotive facility in the world.
Three generations of Sindelfinge on one wall. Grandfather, father and Markus. The same plant, different vehicles, the same high standard.
Lithium operations in South America and cobalt mines here in the DRC are subject to our certification process.
An aluminum smelter in Norway, powered by hydroelectric energy, producing primary aluminum, whose carbon footprint.
The EQS utilized recycled PET fabric from ocean plastic for the seats, complemented by FSC.
As you can see, the automation here is seamless. This equipment precisely forms the cells, which is the most crucial step for battery life.
This precision rolling equipment ensures the highest quality steel for your automotive needs, maintaining tolerances unheard of in the industry.
The 0.20 drag coefficient wasn't merely a target, it was the core of our design philosophy.
Component deliveries arriving at Factory 56, battery modules from the Edelfin, body panels from the stamp. The uniformity is excellent, but check the CMM readout on panel alignment.
It's holding within tolerance, even on the deep curves.
With 12,000 solar panels and trees inside the production area, this is the cleanest factory floor in the world.
A blend of human expertise and automated precision ensures the highest quality in the assembly process.
Advanced coordinate measuring machines verify hundreds of points across the body, ensuring precision within tenths of a millimeter against the CAD nominal.
This is the marriage of the body and battery. Structural bolts are torqued to specification with absolute precision.
The complete MBUX software stack and vehicle configuration are loaded via fiber optic infrastructure.
Check the tolerances on the rear door, please.
Holding at 1 millimeter, everything looks good from here.
This is the standard NDA for Factory 56 access. Please review sections 3 and 5 carefully before signing here.
Utilizing advanced flow visualization systems, we can meticulously analyze how air moves over the vehicle's surface. Here at Factory 56, we utilize these precise reference standards to ensure unparalleled build quality.
Every detail matters. The laser scanning you see now allows us to compare the EQS with its rivals, down to the micron level.
We are seeing a stable cycle life increase here.
Confirmed. The new electrolyte appears to be working as expected.
The sensor shows a thickness deviation here.
All right, I'm logging the variance now.
The digital twin runs in perfect synchronization with the physical factory, allowing us to monitor and optimize every step of production.
The drag coefficient on the EU.
Building the world's most aerodynamic production car to the quality standard of the world's most respected luxury brand.
The EQS's continuous surface design, panels flowing into each other with gaps measured in fractions of a millimeter.
Installing a 700 kilogram battery pack to within 1 millimeter from below the vehicle body.
Every EQS high voltage connection is made by technicians who have completed this Mercedes-Benz vehicle circles.
Integrating over 100 million lines of code across over 100 electronic control units, each developed by different teams, some supplied by different vendors. Factory 56's automated quality systems measure hundreds of parameters on every vehicle, dimensional measurements at body shop stations.
In 2022, a specific combination of paint application parameters and ambient humidity produced a surface.
The solution is continuous environmental monitoring at every paint application station, with the paint application parameters dynamically adjusted to maintain.
Every quality failure mode in Factory 56's production history has a detection method and a prevention measure in the current production process. The measurement system said the gap was within specification. Marcus's fingertips said there was a tactile discontinuity at one point in the gap.
Battery cell supply is the defining supply chain challenge for Mercedes-Benz's EQ production ramp.
The permanent magnet synchronous motors in the EQS drive units require neodymium and dysprosium, rare earth elements.
Factory 56's night shift produces EQS vehicles to the same quality standard as the day shift, with a team whose engineering escalation paths are longer.
Mercedes-Benz's EQS durability program runs vehicles through test programs that simulate 10 years of customer use in under 2 years of testing.
21 years. That gap variation pattern, progressive along the door opening, has two causes in.
The aggregate kilometers driven by EQS vehicles worldwide highlights the substantial CO2 emissions avoided.
Experience the future of driving with Level 3 autonomy and the MBUX Hyperscreen. Rapid 200.
In Sindelfingen, the rich heritage of this community drives the future of Mercedes-Benz. Seen here.
Check the schematic again for the torque specifications.
Right, and the software update for the BMS is almost complete.
Ready, sweetie? It's perfect. I have never seen anything like this.
Here at the assembly line, we maintain the highest standards. It's my job to ensure every component is perfect before the vehicle arrives.
The air quality report came back positive again.
That's good news. We really appreciate the environment here.
What model did you work on today?
I was working on the EQS.
Even as the Sindelfin Hills sleep, the night shift continues. Our advanced LED system ensures
It's strange to think I won't be here next year. I've been building these cars since the W140.
The throughput on line 3 dipped between 2 and 4 a.m. What caused the bottleneck there?
We had a sensor calibration issue, Director.
The early production period at Factory 56 presented challenges. Our investigation into
We fit this side first because the sensor alignment is critical for the automated check later.
so if the tolerance is off, the robot flags it.
Exactly, it saves troubleshooting time.
These panel gap measurements are the most consistent we've ever recorded.
Absolutely correct. It passes inspection.
From the misty mountains where it first bloomed to the precise mechanisms of the modern age, we bring you the morning ritual of billions.